Evening guys.
Hello.
Tonight we've came to Blackpool Illuminations.
Do you know what, I didn't realise that Chris didn't realise every time I'm like, it's like Blackpool Illuminations in here, he didn't realise it was actually a thing.
I know, so we've came here tonight. I've obviously never seen them, and just at the start, oh that's super bright the camera, there we go, that's better. We'll get these wee bears in a wee play park.
They're cute.
That is cool, isn't it?
Aww.
Luckily the rain has stayed off for us, so we can come out. It was actually raining just before we came out.
They're so cute.
They are cool, aren't they? Look at these wee ones in a swing. And then you've got this tram that does the Illuminations tour. He's cool. So the very first illumination we come to is this cool scene with the pirates.
Captain Jack's Bar and Grill, which was past today, it was like Coral Island.
Actually looked not too bad, didn't it?
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. Oh no, the wee guy's going to get eaten by the shark, Natalie. How cool is that? This thing is massive, by the way. I like the wee lights on the cannonballs. Or the cannons, sorry, no cannonballs. I know. Is that a guy or a woman, Jink?
It's a guy.
I think it's a guy.
Coral Island.
Right. It's cool, eh? Is he trying to pull the boat? Oh no, he's... Aye. That's cool, man. I didn't notice the shark there. That wee guy in the background, if you've heard him, he's loving it. Shouting, "Shiver me timbers!" Next up is the moon. He is cracking, isn't he? I like that. Then we've got the sun after the moon. That's brilliant. Oh well, is this actually the wind? Maybe the wind, isn't it? Then after that is the sun this time. That last one was definitely the wind. Now that we've came to the sun. It's cool, isn't it? Just sitting there like, That's the sort of face you make when you're just sitting out in the sun at the seaside or something. And then I think this is the earth. Just got like a wee walk through here. Some cool lights on the trees. And his black and white cat. Then Postman Pat has got his black and white cat.
We're
and he's
something to the Blackpool Illuminations.
It's cool, eh? Sorry. You might be able to hear the sea. Look at that sky tonight, guys. That is awesome.
Wow.
This wee bit's pretty cool, I like it, eh?
The trees are lovely.
They are, aren't they? It's a cool wee walk through.
Dora!
Dora the Explorer.
No swiping.
Then a wee guy here, taking us to the moon and back. Oh, this is saying this is Commander Neil Armstrong.
He's cute.
Yeah, it's cool. And there we go, old SpongeBob, eh? SpongeBob is everywhere.
Robert the Sponge.
And you can just come here and get a wee seat and a wee, looks like a wee kissing booth type thing.
The WI.
That's cool. And then just at the exit we've got Wee City.
He's not really that wee though, is he?
No, he's rather big. Can't really see you because City's too bright. Then we get some dancers here. That's cool. That looks like a West End show, doesn't it? Las Vegas or something like that.
The Swan Lake.
Oh, is it Swan Lake? Right. That's pretty cool. I like it. I love the wee, I don't know if they're supposed to be ducks, but it looks like ducks.
I think
They're supposed to be swans. They're definitely ducks. That's cracking. And then we get these cracking Indians doing their war dance.
Yeah.
I like that. Although, it looks like they're doing something dodgy with the hammer. What's going on there?
I think we have a great thing.
I like their totem pole, but...
It disappeared when you said that.
Oh, it did. That's cracking. Then we get this cracking Blackpool Rock.
Dreamy boy. That's you?
That's cool, eh? With the love hearts, kiss me, be mine.
Baby doll.
These like hula dancers.
Yeah.
It's not going to come back. Oh, there we go.
Look at their boobs.
What are they doing? They're jiggling up and down. Look at the crab and the starfish. Look at this cool Egyptian one. This wee guy just popped up a wee second ago, the wee mummy. And look guys, is there some hidden Mickeys in there as well? Oh no, the tomb's closing. It was open a wee second ago. This guy looks pure weird, doesn't he? That is strange. Well, we'll see, we'll wait and see. Hopefully it opens up again. Oh, here we go, who's in it? Oh, he's awfully happy. Isn't he?
Yes.
A wee bit hard to capture on camera for you guys just because we're so far away, but this bit here looks cracking. It's got like geometric shapes with some lights around it.
It's the brightest thing ever.
It's so bright, it's not really coming up on the camera too great. But the bit I wanted to really show you was this bit after. I know you might not be able to see that great, but here it looks cool because look all pictures like Robbie Williams and all that, famous people. Keith Lemon and that. I hope this shows up for you guys because that is pretty cool looking.
Fun.
That is cool, isn't it? I would name the celebrities, but see, to be honest, I'm terrible with names, so SpongeBob's up there as well. Just over the road here, get some cracking sparkly lights. I like that. Unfortunately, it's not really showing you too great in the camera, I don't think. Now we get another one of these geometric shapes here, which are super bright. Camera's having a hard time dealing with it. There's a tram just coming back. That tram's cracking, isn't it? You're right there.
That's what it is, like the mouse is running up.
Oh right, aye, so it is. So guy,
Struck one, the mouse is done. Hickety dickety dot.
unfortunately we've had to come, the path runs down the front there, but we've had to come the other side. For some reason they'll not let you walk down the front here, so I do apologise if we're a wee bit far away. And if you can hear all the road sounds, because as you can see, we're right next to the road. There's a cool recycling thing here. As you can see, it all starts off cool at the start, gets processed into some gas, warm and hot.
Vitamin A, vitamin B, all the way through E.
Then it comes out magic people. That's how you make people.
Yeah.
So get this one is a wee motorbike guy, so it's either Steve McQueen or Evel Knievel. Probably now thinking about it, as Natalie said, it's probably Evel Knievel because he's going to do a wee trick, as you can see him there at the start. Oh, he's going to go, oh here he goes. Wow.
He made it.
Natalie was just saying this is the way it used to be, the old school trams. Here we've got Alice in Wonderland. How cool is the big sparkly tree there at the start? I think that's cracking. Then we'll get my favourite, although it looks nothing like him here at the end. Who are you? And I think got to be the most random thing tonight is Basil Brush. That is weird, isn't it?
As a karate ball.
Then we get wee Noddy here.
Noddy, Noddy, the little boy with the red and yellow car. Do, do, do.
I mean that would have helped you sing, but I don't know Noddy, but what's this next? Little Bo Peep? That is?
Little
No?
Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet eating her cords away. Along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened poor girl away. I'm beginning to question your nursery rhyme knowledge.
No, my nursery rhyme knowledge is rubbish. I didn't realise it was that bad. Although it's went and done a darker version.
Scary.
Ah! Next up we've got like an Arabian scene, isn't it?
Like Aladdin, look at
Yeah.
it opening.
Oh, it is opening, that's cool. What do you think's going to be inside it?
Oh,
Treasure. He literally just shouted Elgin. Right, this is obviously for a hotel, but
Elgin Hotel.
yeah, but we're just going to say it's Caesar, because that's basically what it is.
Like, basically, like they say Blackpool is like the Vegas of the North, and this I think is supposed to be the Caesar.
On the side of the Illuminations now, and we've got a cracking big butterfly.
Look at that.
Although he's went away, and he's back again. And then we've got a wee fish. Guys, look at this. The traffic is like moving at like 5 miles an hour, and it's all the way along the front of Blackpool. As Natalie was saying, she reckons it, instead of people coming and walking like we're doing, they'll actually just walk all the way back along. Here's some Sue. Is that just her name, Sue? Aye, okay. Who's this wee guy?
Richard.
I've never heard him.
I don't know who Richard is.
Nah. Do you guys know who Richard is?
I think he might be from the new one.
Do you think so?
I don't know if they've redone it.
Oh, and I've got a...
Oh, wow.
That's cool, man. We've got a wee episode going here.
Oh, it's Claire from Steps and she's dancing.
That's brilliant, man. Then we've got the man, obviously, Sooty.
Sweep's always my favourite.
Aye, Sweep was cool, wasn't he? And then obviously Natalie's favourite, Sweep. We're now just entering the haunted mansion.
It's quite spooky.
That is cool, isn't it? That tree looks stoned.
I think it's under a spell.
I think this is supposed to be more lit up, but
Scary.
how cool's that? I'll get like Frankenstein up there. And then he just came to the door. Oh, we get Dracula up there as well. That's cool. Then just at the end here, this is just the very end of Blackpool Illuminations. We've got a wee tree.
Hi!
Right guys, that's us just back for Blackpool Illuminations. Well, obviously because we're in Blackpool. Did you like it?
I loved it.
My first time seeing it, and I thought it was brilliant.
What were you expecting?
I didn't really expect much, to be honest. I've not expected much from this trip, but I've been surprised.
I loved it so
Aye,
much.
I have loved it. It was, as you can see, there's some cracking illuminations, isn't there?
Yeah.
And it's just right next to the road, so a lot of people are just driving their car along. They're not even,
Just like that with
I know.
the cameras.
they're not even getting out their cars. But no, it was really good. We lucked out with the weather. It was a wee bit chilly, as you can see. We'll get the hats
Very
on.
windy, you'll probably hear that.
You'll hear that in the vlog, and it was very windy. But apart from that, the rain stayed off, which was good because it was raining literally just as we left the caravan. So I would highly recommend it. There's a wee donation station you can hand in some money. They want like £5 to £10, but which is okay. I think that's more for the cars because it's on the main road, and there's two people either side like flagging the cars down. You obviously don't have to give money, but so what was your favourite one?
Either one of the pirates ones, or I like the astronaut thing. Just the astronaut in the
Right.
little kids park.
I liked Alice in Wonderland. I would say the Haunted House was quite cool.
Oh yeah, I liked it when it started singing.
Aye, that was pretty cool. I did like
I
that.
liked that.
Right guys, so that's us. We hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. Give us a big like, of course, and subscribe please, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.